Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be recreating a hair tutorial that went super viral on Instagram and on TikTok. I'm gonna have it right over here. I got so many comments asking me to do a slow down version, so I thought I would do a little YouTube tutorial where I show you guys step by step how I get this look. So if you guys want to see how I get this look, please keep watching. I already have my hair up in a ponytail and I have a little stray that's kind of twisted around so that you don't see the hair tie. That's completely optional. And I do have the Luxie hair extensions that I'm going to link down below. So I'm just going to take my hair and I'm going to flip it upside down. And then I'm going to divide it into 2 equal sections. And you definitely want to make sure that these 2 are equal. So I'm going to ignore this top section and focus on the bottom, split that into 2, and then bring it around. Then I'm just going to take a clear elastic and tie it together. So this is kind of what it's looking like right now. And then I'm going to take the other section of hair, divide it into 2, and then bring it forward. And again, I'm going to tie this with an elastic. And I'm just going to pretty much repeat this step all the way down my hair. Now that I'm done, I'm just going to take pieces out and gently pull them just to make this style a little bit poofier. You want to kind of take your time on this because you don't want to pull out huge pieces, because once you pull them out, you can't put them back in without having to redo the entire hairstyle again. After you're done, just flip it back over, and then if you want to, you can keep adjusting these pieces and poofing them out. And here is the finished look. I hope this tutorial made a lot more sense. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!